Hi everyone, I'm Ray. Welcome to my kitchen. So I don't know if any of you remember this, but back in the day, probably in the late 70s, there was a place called Orange Julius. And Orange Julius made this creamy, orangey, delicious, kind of what we would now call maybe smoothie. But it was probably not the healthiest. I'm pretty sure it was made with powder. Now, the powders of the 70s are a lot different than the powders of today, but I've decided to make a new version, and I am calling it an Orange Cream Mocktail. So let's just dive in and make this recipe. Now, I will warn you, it is a high carb recipe because it is made with orange juice, but this orange juice is fresh squeezed orange juice. So it is not out of a carton or out of a can. This is fresh squeezed navel oranges. So we're going to start with that into the blender. And we're just going to load everything in the blender. And I've got an article about oranges. So I'll link you below in the show notes so you can go and read the article all about the value of oranges. They are actually really good for you. We are going to start with this, and what I added was some dates, and don't worry about it. I'm going to give you all the proportions in the recipe, so not to worry. But I'd like to do the orange juice and the dates first, and I do the orange juice with the dates only because it is easier for the dates to turn into not chunks, I guess. I'm trying to smooth out the dates. That's what I'm trying to get out. So the two of these together makes it relatively sweet. But the rest of the ingredients we're adding have no added sugar. So you just wait. It's delicious. So as always, we're going to start this out on a very low speed, and then we're going to crank it up for a minute until the dates are completely pulverized. So here we go. Slice the dates in half, and whenever I'm using whole dates in any recipes, they're pitted dates, but I always cut them in half just to make sure that the pits are removed, because the last thing you want in something that's supposed to be smooth is a chunk of a pit. Let's crank it up. Now, the trick of this mocktail, and what I loved about the Orange Julius, is that it's very frothy, right? So we're going to add the rest of the ingredients, and then we're going to let it go for a little bit so it can get nice and frothy. So when we were kids, we used to have to drive a half hour to get to the nearest shopping mall that had the Orange Julius in it. And that first thing we would do when we would get to the mall, we would make a beeline for Orange Julius because there was always a line, and we wanted to get our Orange Julius. So here we're adding yogurt, and then we're also adding a half a cup of the coconut cashew milk that I love so much, and then the other half a cup of coconut milk just out of a can. And that's really all the ingredients. So I'm going to crank this up, and then I have ice here because we're going to have to add some ice to this to get it thick and really frothy. So I'm going to turn this on until it gets really good and frothy. It's probably going to go for about 2 minutes, always starting on low and then cranking it up to a high speed. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Now we just need to add some ice. So in goes the ice. And I like to add the ice at a little bit at a time, just because I don't want it to get too icy in there. Otherwise, the blender has to work too hard. Okay, and now the last thing we're going to add is we're going to add some coconut cream. Now, this is a small can of coconut cream. You can also get coconut milk, put it in the refrigerator, and then skim the cream off the top. I like these small cans of coconut cream because you actually get more cream than you would if you were getting it out of the can of milk. There is still liquid in this particular item as well, but again, it's just more cream. And what this does is this adds a healthy fat, because the coconut cream is a healthy fat, but it is a saturated fat, so we don't want to make this drink too often. This is for special occasions. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's how much of the milk or the water of the coconut is left inside. So we got about half of a can of the cream, and then the rest is just the coconut milk. Now I like to save this and I use it for other purposes. I'll throw it in my smoothie. I like to add the coconut cream at the very end just because it just creams it up beautifully. So on low again, and then we'll let it go for a minute or two. And that is it. Okay, so let's have a taste. It's kind of frothy on top, which is great, but it's still totally drinkable. And again, I like to serve this for special occasions. In fact, the first time I served it at Easter time because it's a nice, refreshing drink, and I was having brunch. And so it was really nice to serve. And the first thing that 3 of the guests said was, "Oh my gosh, this tastes like an Orange Julius." So again, I call it an Orange Cream Mocktail. Let's have a taste. It's really good. You can taste the coconut cream in it, and it makes it thick and nice. The orange juice is delicious. I can't really taste the yogurt, but I do know it's there. If you're interested in getting a recipe in your inbox every week, you can go to my website, and on the top right corner, you can hit that subscribe button, and you will be emailed both a blog article and a recipe every single week. So I hope you'll join us over there. If not, I hope you like and subscribe here so that more people can find these delicious recipes. And, you know, if you're going to drink something sweet, drink sweets from Mother Nature, right? So we've got beautiful coconut milk, we've got some lovely yogurt with probiotics in it, and we've got some fresh squeezed orange juice, which is absolutely delicious. So I hope you're going to try this. You could also, by the way, you could also top this with a little orange zest on top, or even a slice of orange to garnish it. That would be beautiful. Cinnamon on this would be good, but it wouldn't taste like an Orange Julius then. And that's what I was going for. So lots of variations you can try. I hope you give it a shot. Cheers, everyone.